nasa mind. So, yung number 1 tribe is you have to be very clear kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. The number 2 is, in anything and everything, it always boils down sa dalawa. Kung ano yung interpretation natin sa isang bagay. First is yung images, pictures na nasa mind natin. Pangalawa is words na sinasabi natin sa ating sarili. You combine the two, you have a story in your head. So for example, tribe, meron tayong isang burger dito. So big, fat, juicy burger. Okay, so ang big, fat, juicy burger, iba-iba yung interpretation ng iba't ibang tao. Depende sa kanilang rules at saka meanings around sa burger. So for example, you have a Hindu. Hindu tribe, hindi kumakain ng baka ha. Para sa kanila, ang baka is holy. Kaya nga doon ang galing yung holy cow na expression. So para sa kanila, very, very holy yung cow. So para sa Hindu tribe, na makakita ng big, fat, juicy burger, ano yung story niya around his head? Oh my God, that's so awful. Kakain ka ng sacred cow? Diba? So, ang example talaga nito, Chad, when I was still working in Malaysia, tapos, meron akong dinner, hindi ko nakain yung isang ulam ko, and then, dinala ko siya doon sa apartment. So, merong mga guards doon, binigay ko sa guards. So, sabi ko, guard, ito para sa'yo. Sabi niya, ano to? Eh, Malaysia ha. Tapos yung guard is Indian. Sabi niya, ano to? Sabi ko, daging. So, daging in Malaysian tribe is beef. Tapos, tinanggap niya yung tribe nung nalaman niya na beef yun, bigla niyang binalik sa akin. Tapos nang iba yung kanyang facial expression. Sabi niya, ano sister, thank you, thank you. Sabi ko, hindi, para sa'yo to eh. Hindi ko pa to na hindi ko pa nakuna ng kahit ano. So basta hindi ko pa to na-touch. Sabi niya, no, 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 sister, thank you, thank you, thank you. Tapos sabi ko, no, no, ito, para talaga to sa'yo. Sayang naman. Kanino ko to ibibigay? Sabi niya, no, sister, I'm good, I'm okay. So nagtaka ako, so bakit hindi niya, tinanggap niya at first tapos nagano siya, hindi niya binalik niya sa akin. And then kinabukasan sabi ng kasamahan ko na Pinoy, sabi niya, "Glory, ano ka ba naman? Know the culture of the country where you're in. Indian siya, hindi sila kumakain ng baka. Sacred cow yan para sa kanila." So see? So iba yung story nila, tribe, around baka. Pero mag-iiba din yung story kung vegan naman yung makakita nito. Bakit, tribe? Kasi vegan, 'di ba? Living creature, yung kapag merong blood, hindi sila kumakain doon. So, every time na makakita yung vegan na big fat juicy burger, ano yung story side niya? You're eating a living creature. Bakit? Paano mo magagawa yan? It's a sentient being. Meron siyang blood. Diba? So it also breathes. Pero ano yung story, tribe? Like, Pinoy ka. Pinoy ka. Kumakain ka ng big fat juicy burger. Ano yung story around your head? So let's have for someone na meat eater, so it could be ang story around his head is, oh my God, this is heaven. I love the meat and the juice. Ay, ito yung bestseller dito. Kailangan ko tong matikman. Oh my God, grabe yung cheese. Ang sarap naman ng pagkakalagay nito. Kakainin ko talaga to, di ba? So iba-iba siya tribe. So bottom line, ano yung makukuha natin dito? We are not responding to the burger. You are responding to the pictures in your head and the words you say to yourself. Nakuha ba, tribe? Give me a thumbs up kung naka-follow kayo nun. You are not responding to the food. You are not responding to the chocolates. You are not responding to Jollibee. You are not responding to any food, tribe. You are responding to the story in your head. Magkaiba yon. Here's you. Here's the food. Here's you. Here's the story in your head, and here's the food. And you're not responding to the food, you're responding to your story around sa food. And so therefore, tribe, nandyan yung power. Why? Because you can always change your story around sa food. You see? That's a very, very subtle na distinction. But it's very, very powerful. Kasi nandun yung ating power to choose. So, with this one, tribe, paano natin ito maa-apply? Yung fact of the mind, na yung mind natin is nag-interpret siya based sa ating story. So, if your picture sa ka-words tribe around sa cookies, around sa breads, around sa Coke is, oh my God, napakayami nito. Coffee is life. Bread is life. Rice is life. Naku, ka, super delicious naman ito. Ang sarap naman nito. And I can't live without this. Now, ang tendency tribe is mahihirapan kang talaga. Bakit? Kasi ang message na sinasabi mo sa mind is, mamamatay ako kapag wala ito. Bread is life, rice is life, coffee is life. Now, that is a big threat para sa ating survival kapag sinasabi mo yan. And our nervous system terms, saka yung ating subconscious mind is palaging nakikinig sa atin. Nakikinig lang siya. So kapag sinasabi mo na buhay ko to, it's like, oh my God. So sabihin ng mind term, ay, kahit anong mangyari, dapat nandyan palagi yung bread kasi mamamatay tayo kapag walang bread or kapag walang kape. So see, tribe, so pay attention kung paano mo dinidescribe yung food. Then you will find it so much harder to resist the cookies or the junk foods or the chocolates or the Coke. So by changing your words tribe, yung description mo around sa food, then mag-change ang response mo sa food. So ano yung change natin tribe? It's not the food, it's our story around sa food. So mag-iiba yung response natin sa food by changing our story. So that's why sa WorldFit, tinuruan tayo na mag-counter nito through our internal dialogue. O sino may hawak ng internal dialogue natin? Diba? So that's why tayo is, on week 1 pa lang tinuruan tayo na, uy, mag-observe tayo ha, mag-observe lang tayo. Ano yung sinasabi ni Food Angel saka Food Devil? So itong person tribe, itong awareness na nag-o-observe, tayo to. Tayo ang may ultimate talaga na hawak kung ano yung decision natin. So kina-counter natin yung ating decision, yung programs natin with awareness. Okay, so when you say things like, uy, I really cannot lose weight. I will never be in size M in a million times. Then magpo-form ka ng image na yun sa mind mo, tribe, na eventually, magiging ganun ka. It's hard for you to lose weight. It's hard for you to reach size M because you kept on telling yourself na hindi mo kayang gawin yun. Naku ba, tribe? So kapag you keep on telling yourself na, di ko kaya yon coach, mahirap yan. Eh, mahirapan kang talaga. Mahirapan kang talaga. Okay, so paano natin to may apply? Itong number 2. Kasi tribe, yung ating mind cannot disagree. Wala siyang ability to disagree with us. So, anong gagawin natin, tribe? Tell yourself a better story. Ano yung tribe? Type sa chat. Anong gagawin natin? Tell ourselves better stories. Ano yung tribe? Paki-write sa chat natin. So, paki-type. Paki-type. Tell ourselves better stories. Yun ang gagawin natin. Yan. So, tell ourselves better stories. Paano? E di syempre, magre-research tayo. So, anong ibig sabihin nito, tribe? For example, so meron kang kaibigan. Palaging utang ng utang sa'yo. Question tribe. Gaganahan ka bang makita siya? A, ganaganahan ka bang makita pa siya? Or B, yeah, you'll try always, anyways, para avoid lang na makita siya. Saan kayo? A or B? Palaging nangungutang sa'yo, hindi nagbabayad. So, anong gagawin mo? A, gaganahan ka pa rin makipagkita sa kanya. Or B, avoid mo talaga siya at all cost. Diba? So, B. And then, ano yung stories mo around your head tribe about that person? A, sasabihin mo pa rin ba sa mind mo na, oh my God, napakabait ng taong to. Gusto ko pa rin tong kausap. Kahit anong ginawa niyang pangungutang sa akin, hindi siya nagbabayad. Gusto ko pa rin siyang kausap. Gusto ko siyang makasama. She's my best friend. Gusto ko siyang maging kaibigan talaga. Or B, tribe, magchi-change yung story nyo, tapos magiging, ano ba namang taong to? Palagi nangungutang, hindi nagbabayad. Akala ba niya, kinukuha ko lang yung pera dyan sa tabi-tabi? Ano ba naman yan? So, anong gagawin nyo, tribe? A, magsasalita kayo about that person with all about the good things about the person, or B, maghahanap talaga kayo ng anything at saka everything para imarites yun. Di ba? B. Yeah, exactly B. So let's also have the same thing sa food. Kasi we're having the same relationship with a person, we're also having a relationship with food tribe. Now, marami tayong sinasabi around sa food. Ay, ito yung life ko. Rice is life. Ay, gusto ko talaga to. Ay, mamamatay ko kapag wala nito. So we can also change our narrative around sa food. Paano? Then research. Research. Paano ba yun? So instead of typing, what are the benefits of drinking Coke? Wag mong gawin yun. Bay, mag-change ka ng story eh. Gusto mong makipag-break, di ba? Gusto mong makipag-break sa food. So then tell yourself good stories around that food. Tell yourself bitter stories. Bitter stories are sa food. So, ano yung research mo? What are the harm of, what are the, dangers of drinking Coke? O dapat ganyan. So, pag nakita mo na, uy, ito pala yung Coke, meron pala siyang phosphoric acid. So, ano yung phosphoric acid? Ay, ito pala yung ginagamit pang linis ng CR. Oh my God, ang Coke pala is toilet cleaner? Yan, tapos ano pa yung ibang ingredients nito? Okay, so ang phosphoric acid nakaka-apekto pala siya sa breathing ko. Oh my God! Kaya pala hindi ko nakakahinga ng mabuti. Tapos corrosive pa na chemical. Kaya pala ginagamit siya pang linis ng CR. Ngayon, try, makikita mo na ito yung benefits pala ng Coke. Great toilet bowl cleaner, nagre-remove ng ink stains, nagre-remove ng concrete stains, it cleans dirty car battery posts, nagre-replace ng glass cleaner, it loosens rusty bolts, it removes stains from tile, and makes a great chrome cleaner. Now, ngayon, Chef, kung ganito yung magiging description mo around sa Coke na pag merong cravings, sasabihin ni Food Devil, "Uy, Francis, bili tayo ng Coke. Nag-crave ako ng Coke." Tapos sasabihin ni Food Angel, "Talaga? Iinom ka ng toilet bowl cleaner?" Now, ngayon, Chef, ano yung magiging response mo? A, gaganahan ka pa rin bumili ng Coke, or B, mag-iiba. Ayaw mo nang uminom ng Coke. Saan doon? A or B? Saan doon? A or B? See, it's B. Wala tayong change sa Coke Tribe. We just change our story around sa Coke. And that's how you break your relationship with Coke or with chocolate or with pizza or with ano man yan na gusto mong makipag-break away from. Or even with the meds. Like, uy, itong gamot na to nagbibigay sa akin ng ginhawa. Yan. Or itong pain na to, o kung ano man yan. You change your story around that food. Okay, so in the same way that you change your story about a person na gusto mong makipag-break, gusto mong mawala yung relationship with that person. So gawin mo rin yan sa food. Nakuha ba, tribe? Give me a thumbs up. Yan. Okay, so that's how we apply yung number 2 na fact. Now, dito tayo sa number